The simulation wizard is provided to assist ADS users in setting up simulations for typical RF microwave circuits. The simulation wizard provides a number of predefined simulation setups that are application specific. Here I have a schematic of a low noise amplifier. Since it is an amplifier, we want to run tests to compute noise figure, stability, S parameters, and gain, among numerous other parameters. We will want to create a component hierarchy so the simulation wizard can be used to test one component rather than this entire schematic. Creating a component hierarchy will represent the schematic with one symbol which we can test. Note that I have added pins to serve as the ports of the subnetwork that we will create, where P1 is the RF input and P2 is the RF output. To create a component to use for test, select the entire schematic, either by dragging over the network or pressing Ctrl A. Then navigate to Edit, Component, Create Hierarchy. Type in a cell name that describes your component. We have now created a component for the circuit. To view or edit the schematic for the amplifier, change the mode to Push into Hierarchy and click on the component. To go back to the component level, click Pop Out. Note that we can place our LNA component on the schematic the same way we would any other component. Click on the library list, switch to Workspace Libraries, and select LNA component. We are now ready to use the simulation wizard. Click on the simulation wizard icon. We are presented with a number of simulation applications. Select the one that is appropriate to your design. It is possible to use the simulation wizard to test the sample amplifier, but since we have our own design we want to test, select Use an existing ADS design. We select LNA component, the device we want to test. We now have the option to select the type of each pin. In this case, I need to switch P3 to ground. When we double-click on the simulation instrument, there is a list of different simulation setups that we can choose from. Add any number of tests that you want to perform. Once we've added all the tests, click Simulate. After all the simulations are completed, we can view the results. Note that some of the simulation results that we want are available in the tabs below. Some of the simulations will have sliders that we can use to automatically refresh the charts shown. Thank you for watching this Keysight ESOF EDA tutorial. You can find a link to a free trial of ADS in the video description below.